Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make truffle spaghetti. First, gather your fresh ingredients to ensure the best flavor. We'll walk through selecting the right pasta and truffle, then move on to the cooking process. You'll learn how to perfectly emulsify your sauce and finish the dish with a flourish. This guide will help you create a restaurant-quality meal that's both simple and incredibly satisfying for two people. To begin, select a good quality spaghetti. It makes a real difference. For the star of the show, aim for 15 to 20 grams of fresh truffle, either black or white, depending on your preference and availability. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, a 1/4 cup of the starchy pasta water, and a 1/4 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Don't forget a little salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Start by cooking your spaghetti in generously salted boiling water until it's perfectly al dente, which usually takes about 8 minutes. While the pasta cooks, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a large skillet over low heat. Grate about half of your fresh truffle directly into this warm butter, allowing its aroma to infuse. Remember to reserve a 1/4 cup of the starchy pasta water before you drain the spaghetti. Once your spaghetti is drained, immediately add it to the skillet with the truffle butter. Pour in the reserved 1/4 cup of pasta water and toss everything vigorously. This action helps to emulsify the sauce, creating a beautiful, creamy coating for your pasta. Next, stir in the 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese until it's fully incorporated. Serve your truffle spaghetti hot, finishing each plate with generous shavings of the remaining fresh truffle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.